Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I've never done to my hair before. Well, I have done it before, but I never did it like on natural hair. I did it on transitioning hair. So today I'm going to be trying it on my natural hair. So right now my hair is already washed and deep conditioned, and I went ahead and put it in 4 sections. It hasn't been detangled or anything yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner in it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and detangle it because that's just gonna make the blow drying like so much easier. It is already detangled before. So I want to go ahead and get it nice and moisturized, and really isn't even that tangled up. Like I had like 2 braids, I don't know what you call them, I guess just 2 braids, like in my 2 previous videos, and I kept those in for like 2 weeks. So my hair was like extra detangled when I put those in, so maybe that's why, because it doesn't even feel bad. Now my hair was dry because when I had those in my hair, like I didn't like put anything in it. No water, no moisturizer, no oil or anything. They were just sitting in my hair while I was sitting in this house for 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this, detangle this first section, and then I'm just going to blow dry it, and then I'm gonna blow dry it on cool air. So okay, so I'm finally back. Like that blow dry like took forever. So I'm finally gonna take these clips out my hair, and yes, I know I'm about to look like extra crazy, but like just ignore that part. So whew, like my arm was getting tired and everything. Like I was like trying to find ways to like rest my arm, but y'all, this is how my hair looks after blow drying it. Like, okay, so now I'm about to part my hair on the side because I love my little side parts. hopefully this won't be too hard. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start the braiding or plaiting process, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna use this TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. I've used this before, like on a wash and go, so I'm gonna see how well it'll work for this. So I'm gonna split or part my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm just gonna clip this section back up, and then the same for the other side, and then I'm just going to start the braiding process. So I'm not gonna part my hair like with my comb. When I take out the sections for the braids, I'm just gonna use my fingers to just get a little section out, and then I'm gonna put some of the TGIN buttercream on it first, and then I'll start. Okay, so I think I put like too much of the cream on my hair, because as you saw, like some of my hair, or most of it, like it puffed up. So next one I'm gonna use less, and then I forgot on my ends I'm going to be using these gray perm rods. I think that's the name of them. So like that. So y'all, now it's time to see what these are looking like. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like I'm not gonna like them, but let me just go ahead and take them loose and see. So right now, I think, I like it. Like, it's looking pretty good, but I gotta try to fix it because, like, this part up here, I needed to lay down. So let's see what we can do. So this is the finished result. I really like the way it turned out. Like I said, I did it before, like on transitioning hair, and I hated it, but I really like the way it looks on my natural hair. I think it looks really cute, and I would definitely try this again. So let me know if you've ever tried this style before in the comments, or if you're going to try it after you've seen this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, bye.